What's up? Out here again, more winter riding for you. Super stoked. Conditions are awesome once again. Bike's feeling awesome. I'm feeling okay. Woo! Man, this is fun. Not too many people been on these little trails. Couple tire marks. That's it. Just a few inches of snow. It's warm today. It's like 5 degrees. It's a little slippery. Still pretty good though. The ground is still frozen as hell. Top layer is like defrosting, so it's almost like a little bit of mud. Good times though. I'm out here solo, so I think I'm just gonna frig around close to the truck. Maybe do some wintertime bushwhacking up in here. Let's give it a go. Yeah, there's a lot of logs down. I think there's some good hops over here. Woo! This is a trail. No one's been on it since the last snowfall, but oh, that was a frozen pile of shit. It's like a little jump. Always find my way back to the trails. Like I sniff them out. And we're trying to do some bushwhacking here, not trail riding today. Man, the conditions are awesome. The tricky part with bushwhacking in the winter is the damn logs under the snow. Like all through here, you don't know what's hiding under there. You gotta be way back on the bike, happy with the throttle, keeping that front end really light. There's only so much the suspension can do for you when you hit a friggin' log under the snow. Kind of see a way up through here, at least for the first 100 meters. Then who knows what? Kind of a deer trail here. so bad. Some deers. Let's chase down some deers. Follow their prints. Oh my. Where'd they go? Where'd they go? Wheel spin. Stump. Oh man. Following deer trails is fun. Oh no. Carnage Central. I needed to be up on that side. Oh man, that is fun. Oh. See if we can find some more animal trails to follow. Seems to be where it's at today. A lot of fun in here. Ow. Clip the tree there. Oh, there he is again. Come back, friend. Oh, I already been through here. Oh, back to square one here. Oh man, those guys are fast. Oh goodness.